Hello people. This has been an odd last few minutes. I've been trying to get onto the game. My Wi-Fi is just not a thing today. Today it's not working at all. So yeah, that's very, very fun. Today it's Valentine's Day tomorrow, and I'm gonna try to do the Valentine's Day quests. I've heard they're very fun, but I need to be in a group for one of them. So we're just going to Sunfield Farm. Yeah, that's the farm. So yeah, hopefully I think it's gonna crash. I really think it's gonna crash. Yep, we're crashing. Okay, never mind. Well, thank you, Star Staple. Thank you a very, very lot. Hey, look! Is that another English thoroughbred? Okay, I just need to inspect that person, because I need to know. And wow, this place is cool. I need to, I'm gonna invite this person to a group so we can do the race. Oh, look, it's Rose. Never mind. Actually, never mind. That's not Rose. That's the other. I don't think she's gonna accept my race. Rebecca's on, but she already did them. Oh. Oh my god. Sure. Okay, it's my first time, so I'm sorry people if I fail. No. Okay. What? Okay, let me just... Oh, right, that's the, I don't need that, because I already am a star rider. Anyways, here goes, and wow, this looks really nice! Whoa, I didn't expect Star Stable to do this well on this new update. Oh my god, if that is an English thoroughbred, geez, how's it so fast? Okay, I've never seen that English thoroughbred, that's the thing. I think, yeah, it is, I think. Okay, I saw somebody else mess up over here, and I totally think I am too. Anyways, I mean, no, I'm not, because I know, yeah, I'm totally failing this. I'm not failing it, but I'm doing worse than the other person is. So glad that they actually said yes, because, I did not want to just be, asking to find a group for the first, 10,000 minutes. Oh my god, I really thought I was gonna lose connection there, because I had a little glitch. This is really cool. I would take a picture, but I would totally fail, and they would be like, what is happening? Why is that? What? No. It just wouldn't work. Anyways, hopefully this gives me a lot of XP with, Jorvik Stables, because I'm waiting for the Elite track, because I need to get a certain level for the Elite track. This is really, really cool. I've never been, so intensely brought around Jorvik, at least this side of Jorvik. I know that Jorvik is referred to as the entire thing, but, there's the main stables, Jorvik Stables, and stuff. Okay. What? I'm in first? Since when did that? Oh, yeah, they're way back there. How do I not notice these things? How? Star Stable, how? What? Oh my god, I might somehow... Oh, what? Huh. Rose wasn't on. Maybe she just logged on. What? No, I jumped. I clicked spacebar, I swear. Okay, I'm still in first. Or not. Nope, that's just an impossible jump. It is known. Totally Oh wow, that's one of the new Eurovic Warmbloods. Oh my god, I haven't even looked at them. They look so cute. Yippee! The finish line. Talk to Low. She'll give you. Ah! Ha! Oh wow, I thought that was another glitch. Oops. Give her a bit of space. Like, where even? What? I can't. Oh my god. Ah. OMG, thanks. I think that that's a new player. But I'm gonna try again. Start it. By the way, I'm recording that. Okay. I'm gonna tell her my channel just because I can. Ella Nick. Okay, it's okay, let me just get this question. Okay, that's fine. By the way, guys, oh my god, so many people are riding that new horse. Oh my god, that is just... If I buy any of the Cornbud, it's either gonna be the Palomino or a different one. By the way, guys, guess what? I have all these circlings because I already did the, redeem a code for circlings. Talk to Liv. That just gives me a lot of XP. What? Oh, what is that? What? Yes. I wonder what I got. What's this use for? I'm questioning it. I'll tell you the truth. Okay. I'm gonna do this grass. Yeah, I'm gonna do this race because I heard it's very good too. Yeah, Valentine's jumping race. This sounds so fun. Oh my god! Oh my god, I've been dreaming for a race like this. And it's like everybody in the, oh my god, Star Stable, like, good job. Good job. There's even people like cheering you on in the audience. I'm totally just, yeah, totally. Wonderful days. Yep. Start over. Normal days. Just failing races. Just normal days. I kind of just burned myself, but whatever. I also saw like other channels doing this race. And oh my god, where even, what? Oh wow, how, what? Star Stable. Do you really expect somebody to clear that? Do you really, what kind of course is this? What? I've got a lot of questions. Oh my god, a water jump. Guys, I know that like, oh my, yeah, just totally failing this race. I've never been over a water jump. It was such a weird moment though. Okay, let me just fail quickly. Oh my god, I was supposed to fail. Oh, now I need to wait so long. Oh, bye-bye, internet. Sorry, guys. Let me try this again. And big round of applause for Wi-Fi. Network fails. Big round of applause for those. Yeah, if you're clapping, please just stop. Poor Hannah, like, she's probably wondering, what? Did she just kind of ditch me? Too bad, because I don't actually remember her username, so I can't, like, friend her. I think it was Hannah Rose something? I don't really have... Bye-bye, network. Okay, see you in a second. Hello, that was very weird. So really just... Oh, wow. Guys, I was here like literally 2 seconds ago, and it's already filled up this much more. This is very weird. Okay. Yeah, I guess Valentine's Day is extremely well known. What? That's a lot of XP. Like, too bad I don't have a horse that's not trained. Soon I will though, because actually I forgot to say that this week we're getting our pony, and you're probably thinking, how? That's impossible, Ella. That's impossible. You don't have enough star coins. I do. And no, I did not buy star coins. I don't buy star coins. Star Stable has enough money. Whee! I love that jump. But it's actually because, what? Okay, what? I've got a couple questions for Star Stable. 1, what is this race? 2, what's wrong with this race? 3, how is this race so hard? I just totally made a splash. Why I made a splash? Because it's impossible to not make a splash. Oh my god. And the jumps, they're put on a tiny bit of a weird angle. What? I didn't know you could knock down the poles. This is really cool. I can't wait till I get the elite track. But yeah, we're gonna be... Oh yeah. It's glitching a bit. Oh, hang in there, game. Anyways, yes, we have another heart, or at least we're about to get another heart. Yeah, this is really fun. Star Stable, good job. Good job. We're gonna... What? I can't do the race? Aw, that's not very nice. Oh, I have to actually claim my reward and then... But yeah, too bad, because I think... Oh, good. I want to do that again. Start. I think it said the... Oh god, my Wi-Fi is just broken. Yeah. It's either me or it's them. But yeah, this world is just very weird right now. We're about to get kicked off. But, yep. Bye-bye, what? This really sucks. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry guys. Gotta go. Bye. My stupid Wi-Fi. I hate it. Sorry for all the... No Wi-Fi's. Okay, bye! Hopefully I'll do another video and it'll actually work.